Very good morning, all my dear student friends. This is again Suresh Babu with one more video presentation about the first year Bcom, the subject financial accounting, chapter branch accounts. Let me share the screen. I hope you can see, right, the screen that I have shared, right? Illustration number 3. Let us follow. Before commencing, one instruction: have the pen, notes with you, listen, and start writing. The second one is try to understand. Do number of sums more, right? The third thing is learn from the point of view of the life, not from the point of view of the examination. And the fourth thing, immediately after you watch, your duty is to send me the mail. That is the feedback. And fifth one, please subscribe to, right? Yes, SD. Sorry, I will type it instead, right? Yes, SD benchmark. GFGC. What is this? This is the name of the channel, YouTube channel that I have recently launched. Type it in the search bar in Google, YouTube. You will get this. Go for it, like and subscribe. All future, whatever, right, I upload, you will be getting the notification. You can watch and get the benefit out of it. Yes, let us go through. Zamana Limited, Mysore opened a branch at Bengaluru on 1/4/2014. Branch is instructed to sell the goods both for cash and credit. Right? Cash and credit both. All cash collections to be remitted to head office. Head office sends cash in to branch to meet expenses. This is known. From the following details, prepare Bengaluru branch account in the books of head office. Also prepare branch debtors accounts there. Okay. Branch debtors account means memorandum debtors account, which is very important because one of the missing item will be there. So missing item here it is closing balance of debtors. That's the reason why memorandum debtors account to be prepared first. Now see. Stock of goods, date you see, opening 5,000. Petty cash opening 150 rupees. Furniture opening 7,500 rupees. These are assets opening. Then goods sent to branch at cost 50,000. Goods returned from branch 3,000. Expenses paid by the head office 10,000. Cash sent by head office for petty 250 rupees. Remittances from branch, cash sales 2,500. Collections from debtors 42,500. Total 45,000. Then credit sales information is given to you 51,000. Why? This is for the purpose of preparation of debtors account. Closing stock 17,000. Date you see 30th September 2014. Commencement 1/4/2014. 6 months. April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Right? Sorry, September. 1st April to 30th September means 6 months, right? Because if you are ascertaining or calculating goodwill, then it is very important. Okay. Depreciate furniture 10% per annum, see, correct? So furniture opening value 7,500. Closing value 7,500 into 10% into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 6 months. 6 by 12 or 1 by 2. So 10% means 750. Half of that means 375 rupees is the depreciation. Discount allowed to debtors 50 rupees. Correct? Now see, what is missing? See, opening debtors is missing. It is not known. But here, credit sales is given. Discount allowed to debtors is given. Right? See, collections from debtors is given. 3 items are given relating to branch debtors. What is missing? Opening is missing, closing missing. Opening is missing because this is the first time the business is commenced. So hence, opening stock is nil. But the closing stock is missing information. What is this? Missing. So that is the reason why. See, opening balance nil, memorandum debtors first step. So you need to write credit sales debit side because I have shown this in the class itself. There is a format. So by cash account, this is the amount received from whom? Debtors. So cash or bank account debtor to debtors account. Discount allowed to them 1,800 rupees discount. And if you balance it, only such items are there. Balance it, 6,700 rupees is what? Balancing figure, which is known as debtors closing. Missing information which we have asserted. Now look, in the Mysore head office, Bangalore branch account. What is to be done? See, stock, petty cash, furniture. See, you will say 2 stock, petty cash, furniture. 5,000, 150, 2,500. 2 goods sent to branch, 50,000. Goods sent to branch, this is returns, 3,000. This is coming from head office to branch. This is coming from branch to head office. This is back. Okay. Then expenses paid, 2 types. One is regular expenses, 10,000. One is petty cash, 250 rupees. Isn't it? Okay. Then, what is the remittance by bank account? Cash sales received from debtors, both together, 45,000. Okay. Before closing stock, you need to write 17,000 rupees. Now, closing petty cash, 50 rupees. Why closing petty cash, 50 rupees? What is how much opening petty cash? 150 rupees. Right? Listen, see. Cash sent by head office for petty cash for 250. Petty cash opening 150. Correct? Right. Next. Furniture, you see, 2,500 minus 125. Sorry. Here I have misspelled, I think. It is 2,500, not 7,500. So 250 out of that half, that is 125. 2,375. Depreciation calculation has been given here, you see. 6 months, 10% of 2,500 into 6 by 12, 125 rupees. Closing debtors, which we found out, 6,700. Here it is. If you don't understand, repeat once again, you'll find it, right? See, closing petty cash 50 rupees itself they have given. So we have recorded, that's it. Here it is not impress system. Petty cash we are not recording, impress system. So total exits on the credit side 74,125, debit side 74,125. Balancing figure is 6,225 is the profit. General transfer, general profit and loss account. So let me explain to you first of all. Read the sum. Trace out missing information. Missing information. Here missing information is closing debtors. Prepare memorandum debtors account. Ascertain closing debtors. Then prepare branch account. As per the format, you post it. Okay. Towards the end, you ascertain the profit. While calculating depreciation, you should be very careful. Depreciation amount is to be calculated on furniture 2,500. 10% of it, 250 rupees. Half of it for 6 months, 125 is a depreciation. Okay. I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, review once again. Repeat once again. Then there is fourth sum. Let me take it to you. Similar. Opening debtors is not given. See, in the previous sum, closing debtors is not given. See, missing information. Here, opening debtors is missing information. XYZ Limited, with its head office, just a minute. With its head office in Bengaluru, has a branch at Mysore. Goods are supplied to the branch at cost. The expenses of the branch are paid from Bengaluru, and the branch keeps a sales ledger and the debtors ledger only. From the following information supplied by the branch, prepare branch account, branch debtors account in the books of head office. So stock, this is opening 16,700. Goods sent to branch during the year 48,600. Total sales, two types of sales you will find. Okay. One is cash sales, 78,300 cash received from debtors. 54,400. Right. Petty cash opening 220 rupees. Then goods returned by the branch to head office 5,900. Cash sent to branch for expenses, salary, petty cash, rent 13,200, 2,600, 3,200, 19,000. Closing stock, this is the date you see. Closing stock 20,800. Closing petty cash 200 rupees. Closing debtors 18,300. Correct. What is missing here? Here, credit sales is given. Indirectly, it is given because see, total sales is 78,300. Cash sales is cash received from debtors is 54,400. Correct now? So total sales minus cash sales 19,300. You get 59,000. That is a credit sales, which is again not missing, hidden item, which is hidden. See this one. Sorry. 1 minute. Let me underline. See, total sales 78,300. See, 78,300. Cash received from debtors, 19,300. Correct? Oh, sorry, this is cash sales, 19,300. So difference is 59,000. Cash received from debtors is 54,400. See, cash account, 54,400. Now look, what is to be prepared first? Total debtors account. What is missing? Opening balance. See, opening balance of debtor. This is what, see, balancing figure. As usually, in the debtors account, first opening balance to be written. We do not know. We write opening, that is two balance brought down, right? This we won't be writing first. Amount will not be written. So next we'll write credit sales. How do you get? Total sales minus cash sales. Then in debtors account, by bank or cash account. How much money has been recovered from debtors? 54,400. That's it. No discount, no returns, nothing. So balancing, closing balance 18,300, which is given. Now 1, 2, 3. These three items are there. So what is missing? 13,700. So 72,700, 72,700. Difference is 13,700, which is missing information which we found out. How much is that? 13,700. See here. Branch account 31st March 2015. Stock opening 16,700. Opening debtors 13,700, which we have ascertained now. Opening petty cash 220. Goods sent to branch 48,600. Goods sent to branch 5,900. This is returns. Then expenses sent, that is salary, petty cash and rent, 13,200, 2,600, 3,200, 19,000. Remittances from branch to head office. Cash sales 19,300. Cash received from debtors 54,400. Total 73,700. Now opening assets, right? Over. Now closing assets. So closing stock, it's given in the sum 20,800. Dates you see. Debtors, it is known 18,300 closing date. Petty cash, they have said 200. Now everything is over. Balance it. 18,900. Okay. So sorry, 1,18,900. 1,18,900. General profit and loss profit 20,680. Now if you prepare branch debtors account, okay, same, two balance brought down 13,700, by balance carried on 18,300. Okay, two Mysore branch 18,300 and by Mysore branch 13,700. How to record this? Correct. What is this? Branch debtors. What is this here? Debtors. How much is it? See, branch account debtor to branch debtors. Correct. 13,700. See, in branch debtors account, two balance brought down 13,700. Closing balance is how much? 18,300. By balance carried down 18,300. This you write. See, this is to be written first. This is to be written second. Now, in branch debtors account, it is to be closed. In branch debtors account, it is debited. Correct? Now, in branch debtors account, Mysore branch to be credited with 13,700. In branch account, closing debtors amount 18,300 credited. Now it is to be debited to Mysore branch. Debit side to be credited, credit side amount to be debited. That's it. 32, 32. What is this? This is opening, this is closing. That's it. This is option. If you want, you can prepare. Otherwise, you need not. But memorandum debtors and branch account to be prepared. I hope you are getting benefit out of it. If you don't understand, please revise once again. right? Revisit. So review, send your valuable feedback. This is Suresh Babu from Gauribidanur, Government Facility College. Thank you. Thank you all.